Yeah, good evening, guys. Can you hear me? My name is Rohit, and I'll be handling your quantitative techniques session for your CLAT. Uh, all of you know that CLAT has a total of 150 marks. In these 150 marks, we are going to get from 13 to 17 questions. In CLAT 2022, there were 15 questions from quantitative techniques section. Okay, and this quantitative techniques is easiest way to score this 15 marks. Like among these 150 marks, I would say you can score the marks easily from quantitative techniques. Why is the first reason? What is the first reason mean? You will get exact answer in quantitative techniques. Okay, for example, if you are doing some critical reasoning thing or some English, there might be like there will be a confusion between some options. Not in every question there will be some confusion, but when we are doing quant, you'll get exact answer. And most people think that like quantitative techniques mean mathematics, so I don't like mathematics, so I'll skip this section. But this is a blunder. There are a total of 15 questions. These 15 questions mean 3 caselets will be given, and each caselet will have 5 questions. Generally this is the pattern. And out of this 15 question, an average students who can do multiplications and additions percentages, easily he can score 10 to 12 marks. Okay, if you see CLAT 2022 paper, 60 to 70 percentage of the questions are from percentages itself. Okay, which is very simple questions were given. So don't have that like phobia that these 15 marks are maths, I'm not good at maths, I'm not going to attempt this section. Okay, and we today we are going to start with the number systems. Okay, we'll start number system. What are numbers? Like in number system, we are going to talk about the different types of numbers. Okay, I would like to know what are prime numbers. Anyone? What are prime numbers? Tell me any one prime number or what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? Divisible by 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Okay, first of all, I would like to know, for example, if there is a number called 4, what are the factors of 4? What are the factors of 4? 1 is a factor of 4, 2 is a factor of 4, and 4 is a factor of 4. 4 has 3 factors. Okay, 4 has 3 factors. If I take 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 is having 4 factors. Okay, what if I take 5? 5 is having only 2 factors, which are 1 and 5. So a number is said to be prime if it has only 2 factors, which is 1 and itself. So 5 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 5. If I take a number called 7, 7 is having how many factors? 1 and 7 are the only 2 factors of 7. So 7 is also a prime number. Okay, what is the least prime number? I would like to know what is the least prime number. Prime number starts from, what is the least prime number? Anyone? Least prime number. Okay, 2. Yes, 2 is the least prime number, and 2 is only the even prime number. Okay, what are even numbers? We know even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. These are called even numbers. Among the even numbers, there is only one prime number, which is 2. Okay, 2 is the only even prime. Okay, and what are composite numbers? Composite numbers mean if the numbers are having more than 2 factors. If I take 4, 4 is having 3 factors, so 4 is a composite number. 6 is having 1, 2, 3, 4 factor. If a number is having more than 2 factors, it is called as a composite number. Okay, now I want to know about 1. 1 is a prime number or composite number? 1 is a prime number or composite number? How many factors does this one have? And neither. Okay, Bhumi says it's neither. Yes, absolutely right. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, So we are going to discuss about simple rules LCM HCF. You might have done LCM and HCF in your school, but we'll be doing in a simple, a different manner today. For example, if I say there are two numbers, 6 and 8, what is the LCM of two numbers 6 and 8? This is the LCM of two numbers 6 and 8. So what do we do? LCM of six numbers mean least common multiple. LCM is simply least common multiples of 6 and 8. So to know this thing, first is the conventional method. So first I'll try to write the multiples of 6, least common multiple, right? So I'll try to write the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? 6 is a multiple, 12 is a multiple, 6, 12, 18, next 24, next 30, 36, 42, 48 dash dash dash. 6 is having many multiples or factors. We can sorry, multiples. 8 is also having many multiples. 8 is a 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 dash dash dash. Okay, 6 has many infinitely many multiples. 8 is also having infinitely many multiples, but 6 and 8 are having some common multiples. They have few common multiples. If I say the 24 is a common multiple of 6 and 8, similarly 48 is a common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8 will have infinitely many common multiples. They will have many common multiples, but the question is, what is LCM? LCM is simply the least common multiples among the common multiples, which is least here. So what is the least common multiple of 6 and 8? LCM. 24 will be your least common multiple. So LCM of 6 and 8, we got it as 24. We do, like, for example, what is the LCM of 6 and 8 mean? Generally we do this method. 6 comma 8, we take 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, next 2 3 ja 2 2 ja, so until we do till each and every number is prime, and we multiply this 2 into 2, 4 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. This is one method, but there is one more method which is very important, and we're going to use this many times. First, do you know what is prime factorization? Prime factorization means writing a number as a multiples of only prime numbers. If I take 6, I'll write 6 as a multiple of only prime numbers. 6, 2 into 3. So 6 can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Similarly, if I take 8, 8 can be written as 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 2. So 8 is simply 2 cube. So after writing the prime factorization, it is very easy to find LCM and HCF of any two numbers. Okay, this, now I want to write LCM and I want to know HCF. Okay, first, to find LCM or HCF, when by doing this prime factorization method, we have to write the common multiples. See, for example, if you take 6 and 8, there are only two prime numbers. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So 2 and 3, I'm going to write 2 into 3, 2 into 3 here for finding LCM or HCF. Okay, now for finding the LCM, we will write the highest power of 2 and the highest power of 3. If we take in 6 and 8, what is the highest power of 2? In the prime factorization of 6 and 8, what is the highest power of 2? In the prime factorization of 6, the power of 2 is 1. In the prime factorization of 8, the power of 2 is 3. So while finding the LCM, we'll write the two common factors first, 2 and 3. So to find the LCM, we will write the 2 power highest power. Like, for example, in 6, the highest 2 power 1, and in 8, the power is 3. So 2 power 3 into. Similarly, we will write the highest power of 3. In 6, the highest power of 3 is 1. In 8, there is no power of 3, simply 3 power 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 2 to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So to find the LCM, we will write 2 and 3 first, and the highest powers, 2 power 3 into 3 power 1, which is 2 cube is 8. 8 into 3 will give you 24. This is the LCM of 6 and 8. Similarly, for finding HCF, we will write the least powers of 2 and 3. What is the least power of 2 in both the numbers? In 6, the power of 2 is 1. In 8, the power of 2 is 3. So the least power is 1. And the least power of 3 is how much? Here 3 power 1 and 3 power 0. The least power is 3 power 0. So 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 0 is 1. So the HCF of 6 and 8 will be 2. So 2 is the highest common factor. See, first of all, we have to discuss what is HCF of two numbers. HCF of two numbers mean, for example, if I take 6 and 8, what are the factors of 6? What are the factors of 6? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, and 6 is a factor. These are the factors of 6. Similarly, 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 8 is a factor. 6 and 8 will have some common factors. What are those common factors? Here 1 is a common factor for 6 and 8, 2 is a common factor of 6 and 8. So what is the highest common factor? Among the common factors, which is the highest common factor? Mean 2 will become your highest common factor. So HCF of 6 and 8 already we got, which has 2. LCM equal to 24 and HCF equal to 2. This is the method of prime factorization, finding the LCM and HCF by prime factorization. Okay, next. What we're gonna do mean, yeah, first of all, before doing that, let's do this first question. I think you know BODMAS rules. I think all of you know BODMAS. In what way we're gonna multiply the numbers? Okay, I want all of you to do the first question, whatever the question I've displayed on your screen. Do this 30 minus some bracket, something 5 into 3 minus 2. Just do A and B first. What is the answer for question number 1? 30 minus 5 into 3 minus 2. I want an answer. Okay, Bhumi got 26. Okay. Any more answers? First one. Okay. Pratik got 2, Bhumi got 2. Okay, they're getting wrong answer, I guess. Different people are getting different answers. Okay, Bhavani got 17. Okay, let me solve it. 30 minus 5 into 3. Okay, Sai Gayatri got 6. BODMAS mean, okay, this is a BOD. This is simple rule. While solving a fraction, okay, whenever you are solving a fraction, first we have to do the things in the bracket first. Okay, first we have to do the things in the bracket. Then O represents for off. We have to do this thing. D mean division, M mean multiplication, A mean addition, S mean subtraction. Okay, we have to do this by using BODMAS. So first, what is our priority? Our first priority is to solve the things in the bracket. First, I'll try to solve the things in the bracket. 30 minus 5 into 3 minus 2. Okay. Now, if you see after B, we have to look for O. Is there any O? Off. There is no off. Then we have to look for division. There is no division. Then multiplication we have to do. So 5 into 3 is there. No, 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15 minus 2. 5 3 is 15 minus 2, 30 minus. We have to solve the entire thing in the bracket first. 15 minus 2 will give you 13. Now we can remove this bracket. 30 minus 13. 30 minus 13 is how much? 17 will be your answer. Is it clear? First, we have to solve the things in a bracket. B represent for, we are giving the highest priority for B. After B, we have to give the priority to O, D, M. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, addition, and subtraction. If it is clear, do B1. Second question, 25 divided by 5 plus 11 divided by 4 into 6 divided by 3. I want a quick and accurate answer for B. Okay, Bhavani got 2. Any more answers? Okay, Bhumi got 2. Joshita got 2. I think now I'm getting the exact answer from each and everyone. Okay, our first priority is to do the things in the bracket, right? So first I'm going to solve this bracket, then I'm going to solve this bracket. 25 divided by 5 plus 11. Okay, division should be done first. Okay, there is a plus and division. We have to do division first because these are first priority. So 25 divided by 5 will give you 25 divided by 5 will give you 5 plus 11. 5 plus 11, this bracket will give 5 plus 11, 16. Next, we have to solve for this bracket. 16 divided by the value in this bracket is 16. Next, this bracket I am going to solve. There is a multiplication symbol and division symbol. We have to give our priority to first division because D is coming first. 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. 4 into 6 divided by 3, 2. So 4 into 2, 8. 16 divided by 4 to the 8. 16 divided by 8 will give you 2 will be your answer. 16 divided by 8, 2 will be your answer. Okay. Is that clear? If it is clear, I think you can do this CD as a homework, CDE. We are going to discuss some important divisibility rules. Divisibility rules are very important things. Okay. You might have done these things in your school, but I want to know what is the divisibility rule for 2. Divisibility rule means when a number is said to be divisible by 2. I want to know when a number is said to be divisible by 2. We are going to discuss the important divisibility rules for different numbers. And this divisibility rule plays a very important role while solving the question. Like in CLAT 2022 paper, yeah, when the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In CLAT 2022 paper, there was one question which was related to like a different passage question, but you can solve the question if you know the divisibility rule of 9. Okay, if you have time, I will show you what is that question. But first, last number should be even. Okay, first I'm going to discuss what is the divisibility rule. A number is said to be divisible by 2 if the unit digit is even. If the unit digit is even or 0. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These are the multiples of 2 and they are divisible by 2. So if you see all the unit digits are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2, 4, 6, 8. So a number is said to be divisible by 2 if the unit digit is an even number or 0. Okay. Now, when a number is said to be divisible by 3, the divisibility rule of 2 is very simple. What is the divisibility rule for 3? What is the divisibility rule for 3? If I say, for example, I'm taking a number 18, I have to check whether 18 is divisible by 3 or not. Simply 3 is 6 18. So, sir, 18 is a divisible. But if I give a bigger number, so for example, if I say 23, 46, is this number divisible by 3? We have to sit and do like 3 7 or 21, that calculation. But there is a divisibility rule for 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Anyone is answering or shall I tell? A number is, if 2 3 4 6 is a number, this number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits, okay, if the sum of all the digits, what are the digits here? 2 3 4 6 are the digits, right? We will add all the digits. What are the sum? 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 plus 6. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15. Okay, if the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, okay, 15 is simply divisible by 3. If the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, the number is also divisible by 3. So 2 3 4 6 is also divisible by 3. Okay, very simple. If I say a bigger number, I'm giving 112 112 112. So if someone is asking whether this number is divisible by 3, we don't need to check for the whole thing. Simply we'll add all the numbers. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 5 6 8 9 10 12. Sum of the all the digits, I'm getting it as 12. We know 12 is divisible by 3, so this whole number is also divisible by 3. Okay, next is divisibility rule for 4. What is the divisibility rule for 4? A number is said to be divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Simple. If I take 144, is this 144 divisible by 4 or not? Mean we have to take only last two digits. We'll take last two digits 44. If this 44 is divisible by 4, 144 is also divisible by 4. If I say like 96848, is this 96848 divisible by 4 mean? We'll just take the last two digits. What are the last two digits? 48, 48. This 48. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, the whole number is also divisible by 4. Okay, 96848. I'm taking only last two digits, 48. If these last two digits are divisible by 4, the whole number is divisible by 4. Next, what is the divisibility rule for 5 mean? Okay, yeah, people, you are ready with 5. Like last digit should be 0 or 5. The last number should be 0 or 5. Okay, a number is said to be divisible by 5 if the unit digit is either 0 or 5. See, what are the multiples of 5 mean? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. In each and every multiple of 5, see, either 0 or 5 in the last place. So a number is said to be divisible by 5 if it is, if the unit digit is either 5 or 0. That is fine. Next, 6. 6 is simple. A number is said to be divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 3 and 2. We know the divisibility rule for 3. We know the divisibility rule for 2. Okay. 2 and 3. Next. 7 divisibility rule. Like, no one will ask you 7 divisibility rule, but if you want, I'll explain. Simply, if I say 154, a number is said to be divisible by 7. 7 divisibility is not very important, but have an idea about 7 divisibility rule. A number is said to be divisible by 7 when, what do we do? Mean we'll take the first two digits, 15 minus 2 into last digit. 2 into last digit is how much? 2 into 4, 8. So 15 minus 2, 4 ja 8. 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. So if the resultant number is divisible by 7, that number is also divisible by 7. Okay. If I say a bigger number, 1547, so we have to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. How do I do? Mean I'll take the first three digits, 154 minus 2 into last digit. 154 minus 2 into last digit. 154 minus 14. 154 minus 14 is how much? 140. 140 is divisible by 7. So this number is also, no, not last three digits. Just for 8, it is last three digits, Bhavani. 7 is like, no need to remember 7. 7 is 7 divisibility rule, but just have an idea. Okay, next, 8 divisibility rule for 8. A number is said to be divisible by 8 if last three digits are divisible by 8. 8 is fine. Next important is 9. 9 is very important, I'll say. The most important divisibility rules are 9 and 11, because many questions in your data interpretation questions will be given based on this 9 divisibility rule and 11 divisibility rule. A number is said to be divisible by 9 if and only if. When a number is said to be divisible by 9? Anyone? Just like 3, a number is said to be divisible by 9 if sum of the digits is divisible by 9. If sum of all digits. For example, 9847. I want to check whether 9847 is divisible by, no, 9846. Very sorry, 9846. I want to check whether 9846 is divisible by 7 or, sorry, 9 or not. So what do you have to do? Mean I have to add all the digits. If I add all the digits, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 9, 27. Sum of all digits 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is also divisible by 9. You can check if you want. 9846. If I try to divide with 9 1 ja 9. Next 84, I'm taking 0. 9 8 ja 72. Next 9 9 ja 81. Sorry, 9 9 ja 81. 36, 9 4 ja 36. 0. I'm getting a remainder of 0. So 9846 is divisible by 9. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? A number is said to be divisible by 9 if sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Simple. Next, 11. Divisibility rule for 11. What is the divisibility rule for 11? Take an example of 11, I would say 156. No, not 156, 165. Okay. I have to check whether 165 is divisible by 11 or not. 165 divided by 11. So 11, 1 ja 11, 5 remaining, 5, 55, 11, 5 ja 55. 0. Means 15 into 11 will give you 165. So 165 is divisible by 11. So what is the divisibility rule for 11? Simply, we will take the places 1, 2. I'll give the places, their places 1, 2, 3. I will add all the numbers in odd places. Okay, 1 is on odd place, 3 is in odd place, and I will add all the numbers in even places. What are the odd places? 1 and 5 are in odd places. So 1 plus 5 will give you 6. What are the numbers in even places? 6 is the, and if I subtract the sum of all the digits in odd places and even places, if their difference is either 0, 11, 22, any multiple of 11, that number is said to be divisible by 11. Okay, don't get confused because it's very important. 144 and 144 1. I want to check whether 1441 is divisible by 11 or not. So what do I going to do? First, I'll give their place names. First place, second place, third, fourth. Now, I will add all the numbers at odd places. What are the numbers in odd places? 1 is in odd place and 4 is in odd place. So 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 will give you 5. Next, what are the numbers in odd places? 4 and 1. Again, 4 and 1 are in odd places. 5 minus 5, I am getting 0. It can be either 0 or 11, anything. But luckily, I am getting 0. If it is 0 or 11, this 1441 is said to be divisible by 11. Is that clear? If it is clear, we can move on to next questions. Yeah. So, do second question. What is the place value of 7 in 257891? I think you know what is place value. Second one is very simple. Units digit or tenth digit or hundredth digit or thousandth digit. What is its place value? Mean it's thousands digit. It's in the thousands place. Next, express 2750 in prime factorization. That is also very simple. Prime factorization. How to express the prime factorization? Mean we have to express 2750 as a multiples of prime numbers only. I think we have done prime factorization just now. Fourth one, okay, we are going to discuss how many factors are there for a number. Okay, this is very important. How to, if I give a bigger number, simply if I give 12, how many factors are there for 12? What are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 12 is a factor. So the total number of factors of 12 are 6. So 12 is a very small number. I can find each and every factor. Now, if I give a bigger number, simply 48, how many factors are there for 48? You can't write all of them, right? So how to define the number of factors of any number? So first I'm going to do with this 12 only. So whatever we have done, I'm going to do with 12. So to find the number of factors, first we have to write in its prime factorization. 2 6 are 12. Next 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are. So 12 can be written as 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. So to write the, okay, to know the number of factors. So how to find the number of factors mean we have to take the powers of 2 and 3 and any prime number coming. So what is the power of 2? 2, right? So 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. See, 2 power 2 is there, no? For that 2 you have to add 1. 3 power 1 is there, no? For that one we have to add 1. So, and we have to multiply them. 2 into 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 2 ja 6. We have got the number of factors of 12 as 6. See, any number, for example, there is x number, we have to write as 2 power a into 3 power b into some 5 power c, product of only prime numbers. So the number of factors are simply its power plus 1. So what is the power of 2? A plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1. So the number of factors will be, that will be your number of factors. Similarly, I want to know the number of factors of 48. So first I'll write 48 as a multiples of prime numbers. 2 24 are 48, 2 12 are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So 48 can be written as 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. Now, the number of factors of 48 is simply 2 power 4 is there, no? 4 plus 1 into 3 power 1 is there, no? 1 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 to 10. So, the number of factors of 48 are 10. There are 10 factors for 48. If you can write, you will get 10 factors for 48. Okay. So, based on that, you can do question number A, 330, the number of factors of 330. I want to know the number of factors of 330. How many factors are there for 330? Okay, Bhumi got 16. Any more answers? The number of factors of 330. I'm going to do here. Yeah. 330. So first we have to write 330. Okay. Bhavani got 16. Kavya got 16. Farhad got 14. Okay, no problem. First, I'm going to write 330 as a product of prime factors. See, 330, you can do it 2 first. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 15. Sorry, 2 5 are 10. Next, this goes with 3. 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15. Next, 55 can be written as 5 11s are. Okay. 330 I have written as a multiple of all the prime numbers only. So 330 equal to 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 11 power 1. So the number of factors of 330 are powers plus 1. 2 power 1 plus 1. Next 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the number of factors of 330 are simply 60. Very easy. I think you can do 1122 910. It's negative factors, sir. Where are you getting negative factors? See, negative factors we are not going to consider. Only positive factors. See, like B also okay. Zubaida got 1 today 16. I hope you will do that B and C. Okay, we'll move on to the next question because it's very simple. We have a lot of questions to do. Which of the following are prime numbers? So, how to check the prime numbers? Which of the following are prime numbers? Is 37 a prime number? Absolutely, 37 is a prime number. 58? 58 is not a prime number because it's even number. Even numbers are not prime numbers. Next, 79. Is 79 a prime number? Is 79 a prime number? Kavya says no. Why 79 is not a prime number? In which table 79 comes? 79 is a prime number, absolutely prime number. See, we have to check the divisibility rules. Okay, I'm going to check 79. 7 plus 9 16. It's not a multiple of 3. It's not a multiple of 4. It's not a multiple of 5. So it's a prime number. But if you take 117, is 117 a prime number? No. Bhumi says no. No. Yes, 117 is not a prime number because 117, if you add all the digits, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. See, 9 is a multiple of 3, so 117 is also multiple of 3. You can check the divisibility rule for each and every number. No problem. Next topic is square root of the following numbers. How to find the square root of the following numbers? What is the square root of 289? Okay, I would suggest, like, it's not mandatory, but I would suggest you to know the square still 20. It will improve your calculation. Like, it will help in your examination. Like, if you know the square still 20, you cannot expect, but it's better to know the squared still 20. 17 square is 289. Next, what is the square root of 729? This is very simple. Next, we're going to do seventh question. I want to know the answers for seventh question. There is a number a 56780 whole to the power of 23897, b equal to 35678 whole to the power of 87653, c is some number. Sir, do we need to do this 56783 whole to the power of 23897? It will take your lifetime to solve a. If you try to solve 5678 whole to the power of 23897, it will take your lifetime to solve the whole number. But the question is whether that number is even or odd. That is the only question. We don't need to solve the whole thing here. So how to decide a plus b plus c is odd or even? If you say, for example, if there are two numbers a and b, a plus b, if a is even number and b is even number, a plus b will be either even or odd. If a is even and b is even, a plus b will obviously even, right? If you take a as 2 and b as 4, 2 plus 4 6, even plus even equal to even. If you take one as even and other as odd, I'm taking 2 as even and 3 as odd. 2 plus 3 5. Okay, if you take one even and one odd, you will get the sum as odd only. If I take both odd numbers 5 and 7, 5 plus 7, I'm getting 2. Okay, so if you add odd and odd or even and even, you'll get even number. Otherwise it will be odd number. Now, to check whether a plus b plus c is whether even or not, we should know whether a is even or odd. I want to know, for example, what is 2 power 1? 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 cube is 8. So, even number to the power of any number, even number to the power of any number will give you even number only. If I say, for example, 124 whole to the power of 6, in the unit digit 4 is my even number. Unit digit is even number, then 124 to the power of anything, you will get even number only. Okay, you can take, for example, if I say 12 square, 12 square is 144, right? So in the unit digit I have even number, it will be even number only. But if the unit digit is odd, simply 13, I'm taking 13. 13 square, it will be 169. Odd to the power of anything is odd only. Odd to the power of anything is odd only. So now we have to check for only units place. If you see a, what is the units place in a? 3. 3 is a odd number. So odd to the power of anything will be odd only. So a equal to odd number here. Next, if you take b, b unit digit is 8. Even to the power of anything will be even only. Next, c means unit digit is 6. Even to the power of anything will be even only. So now we have to add a plus b plus c, whether it is even or not, even or odd. First I'll do a plus b. A plus b is odd plus even. Odd plus even is how much? Odd plus even is odd only. Next, odd plus even. C is even and odd. Finally you will get odd number only. A to the power of a is odd, b is even, and c is even. If you add this odd number and even number, it will be odd number only. Is it clear? Yeah. If it's clear, next, eighth one, simple. Same, we have to check whether the first number is even or odd, second number is even or odd not, next number is even or odd, and multiplication. Okay, Bhumi says it's odd. Okay. Any more answers? Eighth one. I want to know the answer for eighth one. I'm getting odd number. Okay. Whether it is odd or even. Here it is multiplication. You have to be careful, not addition. In the question number 8, it's multiplication. Okay, Bhavani says it's even. See, for example, if you take a number, any big number, 432 into some 3, so you will get as even number only. Multiplication, if the product of 2 into 3 or 5 into 5 and 4 into 4 or 4 into 6, anything, something. Even into odd will give you even number only. Odd, even into even will give you even number only. But when it is odd into odd, then only it is an odd number. Okay. For that, we have to know this 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 whole to the power of something. The unit digit is odd, so anything to the power of odd to the power of anything will be odd number into. This is also odd number. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 unit digit is even. Even to the power of something is even. So odd into odd is odd number. Next is odd number into even number will give you even number only. So the final result will be even. Ninth one. Given n is an odd number, 2m plus 3n squared, that is 3n square. It's not clearly visible. This 3n square. 2m plus 3n square. Whether this number is even or odd, or it depends upon the value of m, or none of this. This is the answer for question number 9. Is it always even or always odd? Or it depends on value of m? Yep. Okay, Bhumi says it's odd. If you see 2m plus 3n square, whatever the value you give for m, you can give any number to m, 2 into that value will give you even number only. Okay. 2 into that m will give you even number only. You can give m either even number or odd number, even plus 3 into n is an odd number. It is given that n is an odd number. Odd to the power of anything will be odd only. Okay. So even plus 3 into odd will give you odd. So even plus odd, you will get odd number. Simple. Yeah. What are co-prime numbers? Next concept is what are co-prime numbers. This is an important concept. We know what are prime numbers, but what are co-prime numbers? I would like to know whether 15 and let's take 32. Let's take 15 and 32. Are they co-primes? Forget about the question number, the 16, 62, 18, 25. Are 15 and 32, are they co-prime numbers? Okay. What are co-primes first of all? Okay. I would say two numbers are said to be co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if they have only one common factor. If you take, for example, a number called 3 and 5. What are the factors of 3 and 5? 1, 3 are the factors of 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. They have only one common factor, and that is 1 only. So the common factors of 3 and 5 are one common factor. So two numbers are said to be co-primes if they have only one common factor, that is 1 itself. So 3 and 5 are co-primes. I would like to know whether 15 and 32 are co-primes or not. 15 is not a prime number, 32 is not a prime number. In my previous question, 3 was prime number, 5 was my prime number. But in this 15 and 32, 15 is not a prime number, 32 is not a prime number. Whether 15 and 32, they are co-primes or not. The definition of co-primes is they are said to be co-primes if they have only one common factor. Bhumi says yes, they are co-primes. I want more answers. Whether they are co-prime or not. 15 and 32. Okay. If you see the factors of 15, what are the factors of 15? 1 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 15 is a factor. Similarly, what are the factors of 32? There are many. 1 is a factor, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. 15 and 32, they are not prime numbers, but if you see 15 and 32, they have only one common factor, which is 1. 1 is the only common factor among the factors of 15 and 32. So 15 and 32 are co-primes. Okay, two numbers need not to be prime numbers to become co-prime. This is the first one. See, 3 and 5 are co-primes because 3 and 5 are prime numbers. But it's not necessary that the two numbers should be prime numbers to become co-primes. 15 and 32. 15 is not a prime number, 32 is not a prime number, but 15 and 32 are co-primes because they have only one common factor. Okay. So you have to check whether 16 and 62. Whether 16 and 62 co-primes mean if they are even numbers, if both of the numbers are even numbers, that is not in, they are not co-primes. 18 and 25. Are 18 and 25 co-primes? No. Why 18 and 25 are not co-primes? I would like to know why 18 and 25 are not co-primes. What is the common factor of 18 and 25? See, 18 and 25. They are okay. Before doing 18 and 25, I'll do 21 and 35 first. 21 and 35 are they co-primes? 21 is 7 into 3, 35 is 7 into 5. So they have one common factor, 7. And 1 is also factor. So 21 and 35, they are not co-primes. That is fine. Next, 23 and 92 are the co-primes. And 18 and 25. Among 18 and 25, 23 and 92, which two pairs are co-primes? Is it option B or option D? Okay, my answer is option D. How many of you are with me? Option D. Option D are co-primes. 23 and 92 are co-primes. Okay, Bhumi says B are co-primes. Next, my is answer D. My answer is option D. How many of you think option D is correct? Okay, Pratik says option D. Next, C. 23 and 92, they are not co-primes. Answer is option B. Yes. 92 is divisible by 23. 18 and 25, they don't have any common factors. But if you see 23 and 92, 92 is divisible by 23. 23 4s are 92. So, what are the factors of 23 mean? 1 and 23 are the factors of 23. But 92 have many factors, which is 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 23 is a factor, 92 is a factor, and 46 is also a factor. There are many factors, but 23 and 92, they are not co-primes because 23 is a common factor which is occurring here. Along with 1, 23 is also common factor. So option B is your correct answer. Which of the following are co-primes? Okay, 11th one. There are many questions to solve. Okay, we will do, but make it fast. 11th one. 3/7 of 5/9 of a number is 25. Find the number. 3/7 of 5/9 of a number is 25. 105. Bhumi says 105. Okay. Let the number be x. We don't know the number, right? Let the number be x. So 5/9, 3/7 of, okay, 3/7 times of 5/9 of that number, 5/9 times of that number x equal to 25. This is given. Okay. 3/7 times of 5/9 of that number is 25. We have to find the value of x. So 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 9. So 5x by 21 equal to 25. We have to find x. X equal to 25 into 21 divided by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, 25. X equal to 21 into 5 simply, which is 105. Okay. Next, 2/5 of 200. This 12th one is simple. I want you to do 13th one. Difference between two numbers is 9 and difference between their squares is 981. What is the sum of the two numbers? Okay, Bhumi says
Hello.
yeah. One second. I'm going to give you the audio. Difference of two numbers is 9 and the sum of the two numbers, sorry, difference between the squares is 981. What is the sum of the two numbers? So let the two numbers be x and y. Okay, I don't know the two numbers, right? Let the two numbers be x and y. It is given that the difference means simply subtraction. X minus y is given as 9. And difference between their squares, difference between
Hello,
their,
sir.
yeah, hello, what happened? Like anyone is trying to speak? Okay. Difference of two numbers is 9 and the difference between their squares is 981. Difference between their squares means simply x square minus y square equal to 981. We have to find the sum of the numbers is how much. So what is the sum of the numbers? Anyone got the answer? First of all, you should know the formula for a square minus b square formula. What is a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? X minus 5 into x plus 5 equal to 981 here. So, but we know the x minus y equal to 9, right? In place of x minus y, I'll substitute 9. 9 into x plus y equal to 981. So, x plus y we have to write as 981 divided by 9. So, what is the answer? 9 1 ja 9, 9 9 ja 81. So, x plus y equal to 109. Simple. The answer is 109. Yeah. What's happening? Yeah, no problem. Next one is 14th one. What is the least number that must be subtracted from 5000 to get a number which is divisible by 21? So, how much we should subtract from 5000 so that the resultant number is divisible by 29? If I give a question, like for example, how much you should subtract from 30 so that the resultant number is divisible by 7? how much you should subtract from 30 so that the resultant number is divisible by 7 mean the least number. So what is the least number that must be subtracted from 30 so that the resultant number is divisible by 7? What is the nearest number of 30? So if you subtract 30, first I'll divide 30 divided by 7, 7 4 ja 28. The remainder is 2. Okay. If you subtract this remainder from 30, so 30 minus 2, the resultant number is 28. This is divisible by 7. So similarly, the question is, what is the least number that must be subtracted from 5000 to get a number which is divisible by 29? So what do we have to do? 5000 divided by 29 we will do. So 29 1 ja 29. Next 210 29 6 ja 6 9 ja 54 6 2 ja 15 sorry 6 2 ja 12 12 plus 5 17 29 into 7. Let me check for 7. So it goes with 7 also, very sorry. 29 7 ja 203 29 7 ja 203. Next 210 minus 203 is answer 70. So 29 3s are no 29 2s are 58. The remainder is, why am I getting 12? Yeah, remainder is 12. 78 minus 50, 70 minus 58, I'm getting a remainder of 12. That means from 5000, if you subtract 12, the resultant number is divisible by 29. What should be added? Similarly, 15th one, I hope you will do 15th, 16th. 17th one, I want to know. 17th question. The 15th, 16th, I hope you will do as homework. Do 17th question. What is the least number that should replace the k so that the resultant number 517 k324 is divisible by 3? The divisibility rule of 3 we have to apply here. Bhumi says option B or like question number 17, right? Yeah. What is the least number that should replace the value of k so that 517 k324 is divisible by 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? We have to add all the numbers. If sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, whole number is divisible by 3. So 517 k324. What should be replaced with k so that the resultant number is divisible by 3? I'm going to write here 517 k324. So first I will add all the numbers. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 4 22 plus k. Okay, 22 plus k. So what is the least value of k? What should be the least value of k so that the resultant number is divisible by 3? If you take k equal to 1, if you take k equal to 1, 22 plus 1 you will get as 23. 23 is not divisible by 3. If you take k equal to 2, if you take k equal to 2, 22 plus 2 which is 24. So which is divisible by 3. So what is the least value of k? K equal to 2. What if they ask what is the highest value, what is the maximum value possible for k so that it is divisible by 3? Not in the given options. Like generally I'm asking, not in the given options, what is the highest value of k so that it is divisible by 3? If you see 22 plus 8, if you take 22 plus 8, the number is 30 which is divisible by 3. So the maximum value possible for k equal to 8 and the minimum value possible for k equal to 2. Simple. Similarly for 9, you have to apply the divisibility rule for 9. Yeah, 27 is also divisible, but my question is what is the maximum value possible for k? Okay, k can be either 2, k can be either 5 or k can be either 8. So the maximum value for k is 8, the minimum value is 2. Same, we have to apply the divisibility rule for of 9. 18th one is simple. I want to do 19th one. I want all of you to do 19th question. Okay, I'm not getting answers from like Farhat and Kavya Bharadwaj. You are answering actively in the starting. Gayatri, I want answers from all of you. Yeah, it can be anything, but these are 19th question. Divisibility rule for 11. What is the least value must be given to star? So the number is divisible by 11. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 5 star 2. So what is the value you can give to star? Bhumi says it's 6. More answers. I want more answers. Active participation. Ram Krishna, Bhavani, Gayatri, Josna, Kartikeya, everyone. Okay. Zubayat says 4 maybe. Divisibility rule for 11. Okay, Gayatri says 2. Divisibility rule for 11 is, I hope you remember, the sum of odd places and even places. Pratik says the option B. Okay, I'm going to solve this. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, star 2. Okay, I have to add all the numbers in odd places, right? So 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 2, 26. I'm not writing the places, directly I'm adding. See, 3 is the number present in odd place, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Sum of all the digits in odd places is 26. Now, I'm going to add all the numbers in the even places. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus star. So, after adding the number digits in even places and odd places, we have to subtract. 26 minus, how much I got? 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus star. Okay. So, what is the least value you can give to star so that it is divisible by 11? This subtraction should be either 0 or 11 or 22. It can be anything. If we substitute star equal to 4, substitute star equal to 4, 26 minus 20 plus star, 20 plus 4, 24, which is 2. It's not divisible by 11. If I substitute star equal to 6, so 26 minus 20 plus 6. 26 minus 20 plus 6 is 26 minus 26. I'm getting answer 0. So, if star equal to 6, this number is divisible by 11. Is that clear? Sum of the numbers present in even places and odd places we have to take and subtract. If their difference is either 11 or 0 or 22. So, luckily here it is 0. So, this number, the least number possible is 6. 30th one. Quick. I want a quick and accurate answer for 20th one. Sorry. The number 311, 311, 311, 311, is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 11? Or is it divisible by both 3 and 11? So first check for the divisibility rule of 3. Quick. Okay, if you put 2 in place of star, okay, if you put 2 in place of star, I'm putting true in place of star. If you take put 2, now what I'm going to get, sum of all the numbers in even places. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, right? 26 minus 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 minus 2, 22. So 26 minus 22, I'm not getting 0, right? I'm getting 4. Is that clear, Pratik, Vashist? See, if you put star equal to 2, you are getting the sum of all the numbers in even places 22. But their subtraction should be either 0 or 11. If it is star equal to 6, the difference is 0. But if it is 2, the subtraction is not 0. Is that clear? 3 plus 7, 10, 19, 24, 26. Sum of all the numbers in odd places, I am getting 26. So sum of all the numbers in even places should be either 26 or something. So luckily here it is 26 if star equal to 6 for question number 19. 20, everyone says option A. 3 plus 2, 5, 5. No. 20th one, how many of you got A? 311, 311, 311, 311. It's divisible by 3 but not by 11. No. Option A is correct. Not correct. So first I have to check for the divisibility rule for 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of all the numbers. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 18, 20. Sum of all the numbers I am getting 20. Is 20 divisible by 3? No, right? If you add all the numbers, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, sum of all the digits I am getting as 20. 20 is not divisible by 3, right? So this number is also not divisible by 3. So first option gone, C gone. We have only option B and C possibility. Now I will check for the divisibility rule of 11. So what I am going to do, I am going to add all the numbers in odd places. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Sum of all the numbers in odd places, I am getting 10. Next, even places. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Sum of all the numbers in even places also 10. 10 minus 10, I am getting 0. So this number is divisible by 11, but not divisible by 3. Is that clear? Yeah. Very sorry, I'm not able to see your answers. Yeah. It's option B, actually. Now, move on to question number 24. How to check for the divisibility rule of 24? It should be divisible by both 8 and 3. Check for the divisibility rule of 8 and check for the divisibility rule of 3. That's it. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of all the digits. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the next class for this question. We have to do, yeah, 20-second. 20-second is interesting. Same concept, but I want to know how quick you're going to solve this 20-second question. Which of the following numbers is exactly divisible by 99? So 99 ka divisibility rule. What is the 99 divisibility rule? If you know the divisibility rule still 11, sir, how do I know the divisibility rule for 99? Simply 11 and 9. 99 is can be written as 11 9. So check for the divisibility rule of 11 and also 9. Must be divisible by 11 and 9. So first it's better to check 9. then 11. If you see option A, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 4, 25. The first option is not divisible by 9, so there is no possibility that it is divisible by 99. First option gone. Second option, if you see second option, sum of all the digits, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. There is a possibility. Option B, there is a possibility because sum of all digits is divisible, is 27. Next, I will add all the numbers in even places and odd places. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, which is 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. Even places, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 15 minus 12, I'm getting 3. But it should be either 0 or 11. Option B gone, option C. It's divisible by 9, check for 11. No, C is also not possible. Option D will be your right answer. Option D, it is divisible by both 11 and 9. Yeah. 23. 22 is D. 23. I want to know the answer for 23. Yes, Bhavani, 22 is D. On dividing a number by 35, we get 10 as a remainder. What is the remainder when the same number is divisible by 7? Okay, the best approach to this question number 23 is assuming a number. Okay, that is important. Assuming a number. On dividing a number by 35, we should get a remainder of 10. So take any number. When you divide by 35, the remainder is 10. So I would like to take off question 45 because it is the least number. If you see 35, if you divide 45 by 35, 35 1 ja 35, I'm getting a remainder of 10. So my number, I'm assuming it as 45. When I'm dividing 45 with 35, my remainder is 10. But what is the remainder when the same number is divisible by 7? If the same number 45 is divisible by 7, 7 6 are 42, my remainder is 3. Sorry, I have taken 45. I have a doubt, is it possible for each and every number? You can check other number also. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking the next number. If I take 80, if you divide 80 divided by, if you divide 80 by 35, 35 2 ja 70, my remainder is 10. So let my number be 80. When you divide 80 by 35, 10 is a remainder. First condition satisfied. Now I will divide this 80 with 7. 80 with 7. 7 1 ja 7. Next 10. 7 1 ja 7. My remainder is 3. Okay. Whatever the number you take, if you divide it with 35, you are getting remainder as 10. If you divide it with 7, the remainder should be 3. Okay. So it's better to assume a number in this type of questions. Is this clear? Okay. If it is clear, I hope 24th is same model. I want answer. I want an answer from everyone for question number 24. Same model. A number n divided by 7 leaves a remainder of 4. What will be the remainder? Not S. What will be the remainder when 5n is divided by 7? Assume a number when divided by 7 leaves a remainder of 4. Okay. Assume any number when divided by 7 leaving a remainder of 4. Okay. Zubayd and Bhumi got option B. Everyone. Is it option B? Yeah, I'm going to solve. Simple. Take any number when divided by 7 leaves a remainder of 4. So what is the least number I'm going to do with least number? 11. If you divide 11 with 7, 7 1 ja 7, my remainder is 4. My remainder is 4. So I'm assuming, okay, I'm assuming n equal to 11. So what is the remainder when 5n is divided by 11? So 5 into 11, which is 55. I want to divide this 55 with 7. Oh, 7 7 ja 49. Why I'm getting 6? Like you got 4 as the answer, Bhumi and Farah. I'm getting 6. What is the mistake you have done? Option is answer is 6 only. See, when you divided a number with 7, remainder of 4. I've taken 11. I'm taking one more number. Okay, for your confirmation, I'm taking one more number. Let the number be 18. Okay, let the number be 18. When you divide 18 with 7, when you divide 18 with 7, 7 to the 14, my remainder is 4. Okay, now n equal to 18. 5n. 5n is 5 into 18, which is 90. 5n equal to 90. I'm going to divide 90 with 7. 90 with 7. Oh, okay. You have taken it as 12. Okay. 7 1 ja 7. Next it is 20. 7 2 ja 14. The remainder is 6. Absolutely correct. 6 is your correct answer. Next. 29 is same. So 25 is same. 26. Okay. 25 is your homework question. Do 26th question. Yeah. 26th one. 12 power 5. Okay, one got a doubt. Okay. The 19th sum, if you place 2 in the place of star, that becomes 3 6. Oh, okay. Pratik, you have assumed it not even numbers plus odd numbers. See, I was talking about even places and odd places, not even numbers and odd places. Okay. Few people might be having doubts on question number 19th. See, 3 6 7 8 9 6 5 star 2. Not odd numbers and even numbers. It's about even places and odd places. What are even places and odd places mean? This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, ninth. I have to give the numbers in an order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Once again, what happened to this? Once again, this screen. Who is this? People. No, I'm not able to. Bhavani, I guess. Yeah. Like my screen is filled with your thing. Okay. If you see, sum of odd numbers and even numbers, not even numbers and odd. We have to take odd places and even places. See, 3, 7, 9, 5, 2. These are the odd places. The numbers present in odd places, not odd numbers and even numbers. Okay. We have to take 3, 7, 9, 5, 2. These are the numbers present in odd places, not odd numbers. Someone done like Pratik, are you there? Not odd numbers and even numbers. It's odd places and even places. That we have to subtract. No problem. Next, we were doing question number 30. Sorry, not 30, 26. 26. What is the answer for question number 26? 12 power 5, 15 power 7, 10 power 6 equal to 2 power p into 3 power q into 5 power r. So what is p plus q minus r? 17. Ramakrishna says it is 17. Simply write this as powers of 2, powers of 3, and powers of 5. So I am going to do. So 12 power 5 into 15 power 7 into 10 power 6 equal to 2 power p into 3 power q into 5 power r. Right side I am having only 2, 3, 5s. So left side should be either 2s, 3s and 5s. So this 12 I am going to write it as 2 into 2 into 3, which is 2 square into 3 power 1 whole to the power of 5. Next, 15 mean 3 into 5 whole to the power of 7. 10 means 2 into 5 whole to the power of 6. My reading is not clear. 12 I have written as 2 power 2 whole to the power of c. First, what is a power m whole power n? A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. That means 2 power 2 whole power 3 is 2 power 6. Simply here, 2 power 2 whole to the power of 5 is 2 power 10 into 3 power 5 into 3 power 7 into 5 power 7 into 2 power 6 into 5 power 6. Next, 2 power 10 into 2 power 6 is how much? 2 power 16. 3 power 5 into 3 power 7 is 3 power of 12. 5 power 7 into 5 power 6 is 5 power 13 equal to 2 power p into 3 power q into 5 power r. Now, p equal to 16, q equal to 12, and my r equal to 13. P plus q minus r. 16 plus 12, 28. 28 minus 30. 16 plus 12, 28. 28 minus 13, 15 I'm getting. Okay. Simply write 12 power 15. I think all of you know the formulas. A power m into a power n equal to a power of m plus n. Next, a power m whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of m into n. A power m divided by a power n equal to a to the power of m minus n. Very simple formulas which you have done in your schooling. Next, 26 is done. 27 is simple, same. This 32, write it as 2 power 5. Left side, write everything into the power of 2. 28. I want all of you to do 28. Very fast. Root 3 whole to the power of 5 into 9 to the power of 2 equal to 3 power n into 3 root 3. Find the value of n. (28). Root 3 mean 3 power of 1 by 2. Okay. So root 3 means, okay, 3 power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5 into. Next. 9 to the power of 2. 9 to the power of 2, I am going to write it as 3 square whole square equal to 3 power n into 3 into root 3 mean again it is 3 power 1 by 2. So 3 power 1 by 2 whole power of 5 simply 3 power 5 into 1 by 2, 3 power 5 by 2 into 3 square whole square is 3 power of 4 equal to 3 power of n into 3 into 3 power of 1 by 2, 3 into 1 plus 1 by 2 which is 3 power 3 by 2. Next what I am going to do, this 3 power 5 by 2 into 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 3 by 2 equal to 3 power of n. So 3 power of n equal to 3 power of n equal to 3 power of 5 by 2 by 3 power of 3 by 2 which is simply 3 power of 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 3 power of 4. So 3 power of n equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 2 by 2. Simply 3 power of 1 into 3 power of 4. 3 power of n equal to 3 power 1 into 3 power 4 is how much? 3 power 5. So your answer for n equal to 5. Simple. Is this clear or should I explain it again? We got option. Okay, there is no option for. I got n equal to 5. Everyone got n as 5 or any different answer for 28th May? Opt A. 28A. Okay. Yep. Simple. So you can do B and C similarly. 5 root 5 equal to 5 cube into 5 to the power of minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 power n plus 2. I want you to do this question number as homework, B and C. I'm going to ask in the next class. Okay. I will ask this B and C. You have to do this question. 29th is interesting. Which of the following numbers would completely divide 3 power 25 plus 3 power 26 plus 3 power 27 plus 3 power 28? 3 power 25. I'm giving you 1 minute for this question. 3 power 25 plus 3 power 26 plus. So which of the following numbers will divide this 3 power 25 plus 3 power 26 plus 2 power 27 plus 3 power 28? Okay. Bhumi says maybe A. Any more answers? Accurate answers. I want accurate answers. 3 power 25 plus 3 power 26 plus 3 power 27. So I'm giving you a hint. So what do you have to do mean? You have to take 3 power 25 common. This is the small hint I'm giving. You have to take 3 power 25 common from every number. Then you will get an answer. Take 3 power 25 common. Bhavani says option D, absolutely correct. Very good, Bhavani. 30 will be your answer. Take 3 power 25 common. Anyway, like you can still try. Anyway, everyone. After taking 3 power 25 common, so what should be our next step? Kavya got D. Very good. Nice, nice. So if you take 3 power 25 common, what I am going to get? 1 plus 3 power 26 is simply 3 power 26 can be written as 3 power 25 into 3 power 1, right? So in 3 power 26, 3 power 25 have taken common. So after taking 3 power 25, the answer will be 3. Next, in 3 power 27, 3 power 27 is simply 3 power 25 into 3 power 2. I've taken 3 power 25 common, 3 square will be left. So here it will be 3 cube. So 3 power 25 into 1 plus 3 plus 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. So what is the answer? 3 power 25 into 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 27, it is 40. 3 power 25, very sorry, 3 power 25 into 40. This number is divisible by which of the following number? It's not divisible by 11, we can see that. It's not divisible by 16, we can see that. Because for 16, it should be divisible by last 4 digits, not possible. If you see 3 power 25 into 40, how do I am going to write this? Let me erase this. Yeah. So 3 power 25 into 40. So what I am going to do is this mean 3 power 24 into 3 into 40. 3 power 24 into 3 into 40, that is fine. So 3 power 24 into 3 into 40 is how much? 120. This 120 is divisible by 30. So this whole number is also divisible by 30. 30 will divide the whole number here. Okay. Next. HCF. Simple. Find the HCF of 36, 84, 21, 24, 28. Fast. Do 36, 84. HCF of 36 and 84. You can do by using Euclid's division, which we will do in class 10, or my method, like prime factorization method. Kavya, it's 12. Very nice. You can. Bhavani 12. Yes, yes. Bhumi 12. Everything, it's absolutely correct. It's 12 is your answer. Joshita. Nice, nice, nice. So 36 can be written as how much? 9 fourths are right. So simply 3 square into 2 square. This is 36. 84 can be written as 2 42s are 2 21s are 3 7s are. So for 84 can be written as 2 power 2 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. So to find the HCF, what do you have to write? First we have to write the common numbers 2 into 3 into 7. What is the least power of 2 existing here? Mean 2 power 2, 2 power 2. So my least power of 2 is 2. Next, least power of 3. Here my power of 3 is 2. My power of 3 is 1. 3 power 1. Least power of 7. Sir, here 7 power 1 is there. Can I write 7 power 1? No. Because in 36 there is 7 power 0 which we cannot see. So the least power of 7 is 0. 2 square is 4. 4 3 is 12. 7 to the power of 0, 1. HCF will be 12. Or simply we can write 36 as 12 into 3, 84 as 12 into 7. So 12 is my highest factor. 21, 24, 28. It's highest common factor. HCF of 21, 24, 28. Highest common factor of 21, 24, 28. Okay, you're still thinking. Okay. My answer is some 3. Okay, no. What is the HCF of 21, 24, 28? I can't give any answer here. What is that HCF then? There should be an HCF for any 3 numbers or any 2 numbers. Bhumi says 21. Okay. HCF mean it should be a factor of each and every number. Yes. Gayatri, right. 1 is your HCF. See, you can write the factors of 21, you can write the factors of 24, you can write the factors of 28. For all of them, see, 24 and 21, they have a common factor 3, and 24 and 28, they have a common factor of 4. 21 and 28, they have a common factor of 7. But combinedly, they don't have a common factor. That is the thing here. So, but when they don't have a common factor, what is their HCF? 1 will be their HCF. 1 is the only common factor existing. If you want to do by this method, 21 equal to 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. 24 equal to 3 into 2 cube. 28 equal to 2 square into 7 power 1. So to find the HCF, we will write 2 into 3 into 7 first to the powers of least number. What is the least power of 2? Here 2 power 2 is there, 2 power 3 is there, but here there is 2 power 0. So least power is 2 power 0. And for 3 power, here it is 3 power 1 is there, 3 power 1 is there, but here there is nothing, 3 power 0. 7 power 1 is there, 7 power 1 is there, but here there is no 7 power 0. 1. There is no common factor. 1 is the only common factor. So HCF will be 1 only. See, but if there are 3 numbers, it's very easy to find the HCF. How to find the HCF when we have 3 numbers mean subtract first and second number. Subtract first and second number. What is the subtraction? I mean difference. Don't take subtraction. Difference. What is the difference of 21 and 24? It is 3. Similarly, difference of 24 and 28. What is the difference of 24 and 25? It is 4. So HCF of 21, 24, 28 is simply your HCF of their difference 3 and 4. HCF of 3 and 4 is 1. So HCF of 21, 24, 28 is also 1. This is possible when it is 3 numbers only, not for 2 numbers. So 21, 24, 28, to find the HCF, simply subtract, find the difference of 21, 24, find the difference of 24, 28. Sir, can I take the difference of 21, 28? When you can take the difference of 21, 28 also. You will get 7. 3 and 7 ka HCF is 1, 4 and 7 ka HCF is 1. Okay. So 1 is your HCF. You can do for C and T, 31 May. LCM of the given numbers. Find the LCM of the given numbers. 12, 16 and 24. Find the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. You can do by that prime factorization method or general method. Generally, we have this habit of doing 12, 16, 24. That is absolutely fine. You can do by this method. 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 12 ja 24. Next, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. Next, it is 3 1 ja 3, 4 3 2 ja 6. 1 ja 1 ja. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. I'm getting my HCF as 48. Sorry, LCM as 28. Or you can do 12 can be written as 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3 power 1. So while writing the LCM, we have to take all the common factors, which are only 2 and 3. So to find LCM, we will write the highest power. What is the highest power of 2 here? 2 power 2, 2 power 4, 2 power 3 is 4. Highest power of 3 is simply 1. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 3, 48 will be your LCM. Anything is fine. Next question number HCF 32. I hope you will do same model. 33 is nice. 33. I want all of you to do 33. Question number 33. Once again. Yeah. The greatest 4-digit number which is divisible by 15, 25, 40 and 75. One method is going with the options. Check which of the following options is divisible by all 15, 25, 40 and 75. Okay. Before doing 33, I want to simplify this question. What is the greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by both 5 and no, don't take 5 and 6, which is divisible by both 6 and 8? What is the greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by both 6 and 8? Greatest 2-digit number. 2-digit number which is divisible by both 6 and 8. So what is the greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by 6 and 8? Mean 6, 12 dash 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 up to we can take 90 and 96. 96 is the greatest number divisible by 6. Similarly, we'll take for 8. So what is 8? 8, 16, 24. Still, I think it will be 72, 80, 84. 88, 96. See, 96 is my greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by 6 and 8. Sir, do we need to check for the each 15, 25, 40 and 75? I mean, not required. So how to check this divisibility rule, like greatest 2-digit number? Mean find the LCM of given numbers. Find the LCM of given numbers. What is the LCM of 6 and 8? LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay, so the greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by both 6 and 8 is simply the greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by 24. The greatest 2-digit number divisible by 24 is, so the 24 divisibles, the number which are divisible by 24 are 24, 48, 72 and 96. So 96 will be your greatest 2-digit number. If you take for 15, 25, 40 and 75, don't have to check each and every number like 15 divisibles, 25 divisibles, 40 divisibles and 75 divisibles. Find the LCM of 15, 25, 40 and 75. What is the LCM of this 15, 25, 40 and 75? Okay, Bhavani says it's the answer is 9600, 25, 40 and 75. So I'm going to do with 5 first. 5 3 are 15, 5 5 are 25, 5 8 are 40, 5 15 are 75. Next it is 3 1 are 3, 8, 3 5 are 15. Again it goes with 5, 5 1 are 5, 8, 1, 1. 5 minutes. So what is the LCM of these numbers? 5 3 are 15, 15 5 are 75, 75 8 are. Have you done anything wrong? 75 8 are 600. So 600 is their LCM. What is the greatest 4-digit number which is divisible by 600? Mean 9600 will be your greatest 4-digit number. 1 second. Yeah. So 9600 will be your answer. Next. Thirty-fourth. Okay, from here we are going to solve word-based problems. 4 bells ring at an interval of 6, 8, 12, 18 seconds. They ring together at 12 o'clock. After how many seconds will they ring together again? So what do you have to do here? Okay, I want to simplify this question. 60. And to simplify this question, after 60 seconds, you mean how to do this question mean? For example, forget about these 4 things. 4 bells are there, not 4 bells. You have only 2 bells. Okay, there are 2 bells only. One bell rings after every, let's take 4 minutes. Okay, that means the first bell they are starting at 9 a.m. I'm taking 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. they are starting. Both the bells they are simultaneously ringing at 9 a.m. This is my first bell. This is my second bell. First bell rings after every 4 minutes. Okay, first bell rings after every 4 minutes mean first it is ringing at 9 a.m. Then it will ring again at 9:04. Next it is 9:08. Next it is 9:12, 9:16 dash dash dash. It will ring after every 4 minutes. The second bell is ringing after every 6 minutes. That means it will ring first at 9:06, 9:12, 9:18, 9:24 dash dash dash. It goes. It will ring after every 6 minutes. So when do these two bells ring again simultaneously? See, if you see they are ringing again at 9:12. They will also ring at 9:24, but I'm concerned about the first thing. When do they ring again? So they are ringing after 12 minutes. They are ringing again at the same time at 9:12. They are simultaneously ringing at 9 a.m. They are ringing after 12 minutes. What is this 12 here? What is this 12? Simply 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. If you find the LCM of 4 and 6, it will be 12. That means these two bells will ring at an interval of the LCM of the 2 minutes. 4 ka 6 ka LCM is 12. So they are ringing after 12 minutes. This question, 34th question. 4 bells. Instead of 2 bells, he has given 4 bells. 6, 8, 12, 18 seconds. They 4 bells ring at an interval of that means first bell is ringing after every 6 seconds. Second bell after every 8 seconds. Third 12 and fourth 18 seconds. They are ringing at 12 o'clock. After how many seconds would they ring together again? What could be your answer? Bhumi says it's 72. Any more answers? Find the LCM of 6, 8, 12, 18. That's it. So what is the LCM of 6, 8, 12, 18? It will be 72 only. But they might ask this question. They are ringing at 12 o'clock. What is the time at which they will ring again? So what is the time? What could be your time? 72 seconds after 12 o'clock mean 12 hours, 1 minute, 12 seconds. Okay. 12 hours, 1 minute, 12 seconds. This type of questions we may face. Next, 42nd page, 35. 3 drums contain 36 liters, 45 liters, and 72 liters of oil. What is the biggest measuring jar that can measure all the quantities exactly? So, what do we have to find here? Three drums contain 36 liters, 45 liters, and 72 liters of oil. What is the biggest measuring jar that can measure all the quantities exactly? Okay, so the question looks complicated. I'm going to simplify this. For example, I'm having only two drums. Let the two drums capacities be some 18 liters and 12 liters. Okay, so I want to take, let the capacity of drum 1 is 18 liters, capacity of drum 2 equal to 12 liters. I want to take a jar with which I can measure these two quantities exactly. See, if I take a jar of 1 liter, I can measure this for 18 times and I can measure this for 12 times. If I take a measuring jar of 2 liters, so 2 liters every time, I have to measure the first drum for 9 times, the second drum for 9 times. And if you take for 3, we have to measure it for 6 times and measure it for 4 times. So if you take 1 liter jar, you have to measure for lot of times. So what is the biggest measuring jar? So to get the minimum number of times, the measuring jar should be the biggest. So what is that biggest measuring jar that can measure these two quantities, 18 liters and 12 liters? What is the biggest measuring jar which can measure this 18 liters and 12 liters mean? Simply the HCF of 18 and 12. If you take 18, the HCF of 18 and 12 is 6. So if you take a measuring jar of 6 liters, you can measure this 18 liters in this drum 3 times and this 12 liters for 2 times. So the work will be finished. You have to take a 6-liter jar. Now the question is, you have 3 drums, 36 liters, 45 liters and 72 liters. So what is the biggest measuring jar that can measure all the three quantities exactly? The HCF of 36, 45 and 72. So whenever he is asking the biggest, mostly we will find HCF. And whenever he is asking the least, we will find LCM. But there is one question, question number 36. Do 36. There are 312 girls and 408 boys in a school. Though these children are to be divided into groups of equal number of boys or girls, the maximum number of boys or girls in each group will be. I want an answer for this from everyone. So there are 312 girls in a class and 408 boys. We have to arrange, you have to divide this into groups, into equal number of boys and girls. The maximum number of boys or girls in each group will be. For example, in a group, if you're taking only 2 boys, the girls should be also be 2 in the other group. So divide this 312 girls and 408 boys such that there should be equal number of boys or girls. What is the answer? 312 and 408. What are you gonna do? $24. Bhavani says it's 24. Why is it 24? What did you do? You find the HCF or anything else? So this 312 girls and 408 boys are there. If I divide them like 312 and 408 as a groups, how to divide those groups? HCF of 312 and 408. To get the maximum number of boys or girls in each group, 312 and 408. If this is not like the numbers are confusing, takes two small numbers. Let the number of boys equal to 15 and girls equal to 20. So you have to divide these 15 boys and 20 girls into groups such that each group should have same number of boys or same number of girls. These 15 boys can be divided into a group of 5 boys. These 20 girls can be divided into a group of 5. So each group should have either 5 boys or 5 girls. HCF of 312 and 408, 24. Here comes an interesting question. 37. what you're gonna do? There are, okay, I'm going to change an option. There is one more option called E, which is 12. Okay, I don't know whether option E is correct or not, but I'm giving option E as 12. What is the answer for question number 37? In the seminar, the number of participants from electronics, computers, and mechanical are 36, 48, and 72 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being from the same branch. So the question is, we have to divide these 36 students from electronics, 48 students from computers, and 72 students from mechanical. So you have to arrange them in rooms. Okay, they are going to a seminar, so you have to arrange them in rooms such that each room should have same number of students. For example, if in room 1 if there are 10 members, room 2 should also have 10 members. Each and every room should have same number of students. One more condition is given: if there is one electronics students in room 1, the remaining 9 students should also be electronics. If there is one computer students in room 1, there the remaining 9 should be in computer science, from computer science only. So these are the two conditions we have to look for. The number of students in each room should be same, and the participants in the room should be from same branch. So minimum number of rooms required to arrange those students. So you will be doing HCF option E. I was giving 12, right? What is the answer? 37. Option, which option, Bhavani? You said option E. So okay, 12. Okay, Kavya says 12. Everyone is saying 12 because you might have found 12 as the HCF. So 12 is your answer. You found the LCM of 36, 48, and 72. You got 12. Just think about it. What could be this 12? The number of rooms. Do you think the number of rooms is 12? Find the minimum number of rooms required if each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being from the same branch. My first question: if there are 36 students from electronics branch and 48 students from computers, 72 students from mechanical. First, I'll try to. Ramakrishna says 13 rooms. If I try to arrange, okay, Ramakrishna, wait, like I'm going to disclose whether it is 12, 13, any answer. If I try to arrange these 36 students in one room, okay, electronic students, I need 36 rooms. If I arrange these 48 computer science students in one room, I'll need 48 rooms, 72 rooms for mechanical. But my condition is satisfied. What? In each and every room, there is only one student, and the participants in each room are only from one branch. If I try to arrange them two students, for example, if I arrange two students in one room, I need 18 rooms for electronics, 24 rooms for computer science students, 36 rooms for mechanical students. My condition is satisfied here because I have arranged two students in each room. The number of students in each room is same, and same students, I mean the students from same branch are in each and every room. If the number of students were one in each room, I need more number of rooms. But if the number of students in each room is increasing, when the number of students in each room is 111, total number of rooms for something around 70, 40, 110, 120, 156 rooms are required. But the number of students in each room is 222. The number of rooms required are 18 plus 24, okay, 36 plus 24, 60, 60 plus 18, 78 rooms only required. But if the number of students in each room is 3, the number of rooms will decrease. So to get the minimum number of rooms, okay, we have to arrange, the students should be seated such that we should get the minimum number of rooms. This condition we have to take care of that. So 1 second, I'm going to erase this. To get the minimum number of rooms, the number of students in each room should be maximum. Whatever the value you have found, 12, The 12 is not the number of rooms. This 12 is the number of students in each room. Okay. 36. Yeah, I understood. Ramakrishna, I understood your point. So 36 is nothing but, first I will find the HCF of 36, 48 and 72. So 36 is 12 into 3, 48 is 12 into 4, 72 is 12 into 6. So these 36 students should be arranged in 3 rooms such that each room should have 12 members. 48 students should be arranged into 4 rooms, each room will have 12 members. 72 students should be arranged in 12 rooms such that each room will have 12 students. So the number of rooms required for this electronic students are 3. Number of rooms required for computer science students are 4. And for this mechanical, 6. The total number of rooms required are 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 will be your answer. Okay. Whatever the answer 12 you got, this 12 is the number of students in each and every room. But the question is the number of rooms. Total number of students divided by number of students in each room. 13 will be your answer. Next questions are very simple. This is an interesting question. 37 is an interesting. Next, all simple. 38. The traffic lights at 5 different road crossings change every 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds, 70 seconds respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 10, at what time will they change next simultaneously? Yes, Ramakrishna, absolutely correct. 13 rooms is correct. I think we have done this, but there he was asking only after how many seconds these lights, these traffic lights will change. But in question number 38, he is asking exact time after at what time these lights gonna change simultaneously. Simply we'll find the LCM of 20, 30, 45, 60, 72. What is the LCM you are getting? 210 ja, 215 ja, 45, 30, 36. Next it is, wait. LCM of all of these numbers, 210 ja, 20, 215 ja, next 45, 230 ja, 36 ja. Next I'm going to do with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30, 36 is left. I'll do with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 12s are. Two ones are 2. So 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 32 are 60, 63 are 180, 182 are 360. I'm getting 360 as their LCM. 360 is the LCM of 20, 30, 45, 60 and 72. 360 seconds mean simply 6 minutes. They will change after 6 minutes, which is 10 6 will be your answer. Yeah, 10 6. Option C. Find the least number when divided by 7, 9, 12, 16, 18 leaves a remainder of 1 in each case. If you see, what is the least number when divided by 7, 9, 12, 16 and 18 leaves a remainder in one case. Okay, before doing that, if I take 5, okay, don't take 5, 6 and 8, what is the least number when divided by 6 and 8 leaves a remainder of 1 in each case? What is that number? Before taking that 1 as a reminder, what is the least number which is divisible by 6 and 8? What is the least number which is divisible by 6 and 8? LCM of 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8 is the least number which is divisible by 6 and 8, 24. But they should leave a remainder of 1, right? So 24 plus 1, it will become 25. 25 is the least number when divided by 6 and 8 leaves a remainder 1 in each case. If you see, 25 divided by 6, what is the remainder? 6 4 ja 24, remainder is 1. Similarly, if you divide 25 by 8, 8 3 ja 24, remainder is 1. So what is the least number which leaves a remainder 1 in each case? Mean their LCM plus that remainder. So the question here is, what is the least number when divided by 7, 9, 12, 16 and 18 leaves the same remainder in one case? So forget about this one first. What is the least number which is divisible by 7, 9, 12, 16 and 18? Their LCM, right? 7, 9, 12, 16, 18. So I'm going to do with 3 first. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 16, 3 6 ja 18. Next with 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6. Again with 3. Again with 2. So their LCM is 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. 36 into 7 4 ja 28. 8 6 ja 48. 8 2 ja 24 plus 4 28. 36 2 ja 72. 8 0. 1008 is the LCM of the given numbers. All the numbers 7, 9, 12, 16, 18. 1008. That means they don't leave any reminder. If you divide 1008 by 7, 1008 by 9, 1008 by 12, 16, 18, they don't leave any reminder. This is the least number which is divisible by all these 5 numbers. But they should leave a remainder 1 in each case. So to get the remainder 1, 1008 plus 1. If you divide 1009 by 7 or 9 or 12 or 16 or 18, they will leave a remainder of 1 in each and every case. Okay, I think we have only 1 minute. If you have any doubts, like there is one more question, you can do it as homework or we'll discuss in the next class.